wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. And to Nick, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm. Cause he was an angel. One taught me love. One taught me patience. One taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. Loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Look what you taught me. And for that I'll say thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. One day I'll walk down the aisle, holding hands with my mama. We'll be thinking about dad, cause we grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Gonna make that stuff last. God forbid something happens. At least the song is a smash. I got so much love. I got so much patience. I've learned from the pain. I turned out amazing. I've loved and I've lost. That's not what I see. Look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. And for that I'll say thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. Say thank you next. Say thank you next. I'm so freaking grateful for my ex.
No, not you.
Wow!
Yeah.
That was amazing!
Woo!
Who is that?
Wow. Snowstorm. Jenny, talk to the snowstorm.
I think you were even bigger than a snowstorm. You were like a snow blizzard. You came here
Yeah.
and dominated
Yes.
this competition.
Yes, Jenny.
Oh, thank you.
Like, she got one of the coolest tones of the entire season, right?
Right?
It was driving me crazy because I feel like I know the voice.
Really?
It
Yes,
sounded familiar.
that's like a pop star voice right there, I feel like.
Thank you, Nicole. Thank you.
Well, let's get some assistance from the Comedy Club. Over to Mr. John Lovitz.
Thank you. Okay, here's your clue for Snowstorm. She has shared the stage with A-list superstars like Rob Lowe and non-A-listers like Dr. Ken. Yeah, Ken's parents spent all that money for medical school to have him guess the unicorn is Tori Spelling.
Oh!
John Lovitz!
So you got to tell me, it's all about the jokes, but were there any clues in there? What do you have to say about what Mr. John Lovitz said?
Oh, yeah. Those were all accurate. And I'm sorry, I'm just so scared to get too close to you. I don't want to get pregnant. So I'm going to...
Oh, she's funny.
It's pretty cold.
Or maybe I do.
She's cold-blooded. She told you she is cold-blooded, Nick.
Are you guys picking up on any clues?
You know, it said that Snowstorm worked with Rob Lowe and me. So first of all, I thought about Heather Graham, my friend from The Hangover, and also worked with Rob Lowe in the Austin Powers movies. But then this voice is so good. It could be Parks and Rec star Katherine Hahn. I starred with her on The Goods. She is one of the best comedic and dramatic actors working today. And Roasting Chestnuts could be from Bad Moms Christmas.
Ooh.
I think this could be Katherine Hahn. Thank you for not booing.
Great guess, Ken. But for me, the clues point to Zoe Deschanel.
Oh, I love Zoe.
Great
Okay,
guess.
you saw them roasted nuts, chestnuts roasted on open fire. Makes me think of Elf. However, I don't think that's Zoe's voice. And this is comedy night. And she's funny. She's got jokes, Nick. So I think this could be a roast comic. This could be Eliza Schlesinger.
Oh.
Oh, I love Eliza.
I love that guess.
You know, I think that Nicole's onto something with this being comedy night.
Yes, yes.
I really believe that some of the new contestants tonight might be comedy based. So,
You're right.
somebody that comes to mind who does comedy and has worked with you, and I'm pretty sure has worked with Rob Lowe, is Aubrey Plaza.
Oh, yeah, Parks and Rec. Aubrey
Right,
worked with Rob.
right.
Yes.
But then I think the chestnuts roasting, I think it's about somebody who is a professional roaster.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
I think that this might be the comedian Whitney Cummings.
I love Whitney Cummings.
Great guess.
I mean, obviously, we all could be wrong, but at least we're not embarrassed by these guesses.
Some good guesses, y'all. Give it up for the cold-blooded Snowstorm. We'll see you later on in the big vote.
I gotta know who that is. Like when
yeah.
it's a female voice like that, Ken.
I think it's a comedy.
I just want to say to my competition tonight, sing like everybody's watching. Because they are. Especially your classmates from high school who are currently judging and texting each other about you and your life decision.